Hi guys, it's me Paige and welcome back to my channel. Today on this video I'll be showing you how to make slime with 3 ingredients. So yeah, and some of my other videos I tried to make slime and it never worked, but I've met someone who's really good at making slime and now I know how to make it, finally. Okay. So what you'll be needing to do slime, well, to make slime, you'll be needing PVA school glue, and this was from Hobbycraft for £2, £2 or £1, I don't know how much, but yeah. Some Gittle shaving foam, that was £1.50, well, a p off. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, that was £1.49. And then I have some Airwick, which makes your slime smell nice and it brings it together. And that is lavender, so it'll make it smell like lavender. You need a bowl to make it in, a spoon to make it with, and a cup. And the cup is for I'll show you in a minute. Okay. So the cup is for you need a amount, yeah. If you want to make a slime a bit bigger than, oh my god, a bit bigger than this. I made it with these ingredients. It's really nice. Yeah, if you want to make it a bit bigger than this, then you can do 2 cups of shaving foam and 1 cup of glue. But I'm gonna just do half of that because I don't think I have enough glue. So yeah. So I'm gonna pour the glue in first. I'm gonna do it halfway, so about there or something. Yeah, there or something. I don't know. Okay. So I'll pour in the glue now. Wait, I'm going to take the lid off because it's really hard to pull out. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. That will do. Oh, it's going everywhere. Okay. Do. So I've done about half there. And then you just want to pour it in the container. As I said, if you want to do double to make a big batch, then you can. But as I said, I'm just doing it a little bit because I don't have a lot of glue left. Okay. And then the spoon is, scoop it out and mix it with. Okay. Okay. And then there's a bit of glue left in there, but that is fine. And after that, you'll just want to do the shaving foam in here. So I'm going to do 1 cupful. If I don't have enough, then I don't know, but I think I do have it. And then now you just want to scrape all of the shaving foam out. Oh my god, look at the spoon. So that all you'll be needing with the cup is only shaving foam and glue. You don't need to pour the airwick in the cup, anything like that. So once you've done that, this is an option. You can add food colouring, but I'm not. Like at the end, I might separate some so I can make like some little ones or some medium-sized ones, something like that. So after you've done that, you could mix in if you want, or you could wait until the end. Okay. Oh my god, my hand. Okay, then this wick goes into there now. So it isn't an amount, like you can add as much until it comes together. It's quite a lot though, and you'll start coughing if you put your face right next to it. So yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Don't know if you see that, but it's already coming together. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, so I'm gonna add a bit more. Okay, that's definitely coming together. My hands. Okay, I'm gonna pour some more in because that is not slowing up. And if it's still sticky, then you'll just keep on adding some airwick. It is coming together. That's really sticky still. It's really sticky. Okay. Gonna add some airwick into this. I don't know why, but then I'll add it. Okay, I'm just gonna add it like this now. Okay, that is definitely coming together. still sticky though. I'm going to take the lid off if I can. There's loads left, but like it's hardly coming out. Oh, wait. That is running out, but I think I have enough to make this. Okay, that is coming. So once it comes off the side, you could just knead with your hands. I don't know if I'm going to start kneading. It's still sticky after like 2 minutes or something. Keep on adding. Or, well, it depends when you want to add it. I don't mind when you add it because it will still work. What the hell? And people wake me up when they have lay-ins. They're like, beep, 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 beep. Like, get out of the car and go to the door. Don't be lazy and sit in the car. Really annoying. There is still lots left in there, but like hardly none's coming out. Okay, I'm just gonna knead. So this is the slime right now. Told you I can make slime. There's little glue at the bottom sticking to me. Once it actually proper comes all together, you could get it out with your hands and put it wherever, like on a desk or something, to start playing. Ugh. I'm gonna buy some more airwick soon so I can make more slime. I'm gonna buy some more glue. Sorry that I keep on sniffing, it's just that I have a bit of cold. Okay, that is definitely coming together. I've said that like 3 times now, but... Okay, now, now I'm gonna get it out, I think. I don't know. Might be a bad decision, but it's very fluffy. I think you do need shaving foam to make this. I'm not sure. Like, you could try it without shaving foam, but I don't know if it'll work. I'm not saying it won't work or it will, because I literally don't know. But I will try it. Not on camera though. Try it later or something. So this is the finishing touch. Gonna get it out. Oh my god, glue. Okay. Still a tiny bit sticky, so I'm gonna add some more. probably call this marshmallow fluff, because it actually, like, I don't know if you know this, but so at some shops there's marshmallow fluff and it tastes so nice. Like, you put it on your toast or something and literally it's so nice. Oh, I love this. It's like one of my favourites. Ah, it's got stuck to my phone. Thank you to the person who made slime with me. She isn't watching this now, but it's called Demi. Not gonna say her last name or anything, but her name's Demi. She's very good at making slime. Okay, I'm gonna separate it now. I don't know if I'll keep it separated or anything, but I might just keep some like of that size or something. Don't know. Okay, so I've separated them. Don't know if there's more there, but why is there more? Okay, that would do. So we've got 4 here. Okay, so I might end this video in a minute. I'm not gonna dye them because I actually really like them white, like plain. I like plain colours basically. I don't have a plain white slime yet, so yeah. I hope you liked this video. Oh, one more thing. So this blue slime made from them ingredients and this is the slime that I made with Demi, and I had a go by myself and it worked. Oh my god, it does that as well. And they're glossy. Oh my gosh, I love it. So yeah, as I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.